Found a barn find Corvette. She's got about 147,000 miles on her. She's an automatic. C5, of course, 98. As you can tell, she's been sitting a long time. We started it last weekend. Hi, buddy. See if we can get this thing running. Let's see if it starts now with a battery in her. Gotta try not to hit that wheel. You made it tight in here. Ooh, she fired right up, son. Purring like a kitten. Oh, I can't wait to give this girl a bath. You can see a little bit of that pretty paint job on there. Her first drive. She needs some fuel. Yeah, it does. Looks a lot better clean.
Finally got your Corvette.
Finally got me one. And it's blurple. Look at that. She still needs another bath, but she's looking a lot better. A lot better.